Welcome back to Megatron Solution, and my name is Rushil Sivak. Today's topic is Introduction to Automation. Before starting this tutorial, I want to say that who can opt this course? First, people having background knowledge of electrical, electronics and mechatronics engineer. Then, apart from this all, technician who are working with maintenance activity as well as automatic machines. Also, I have attached one quiz with this tutorial. Interested people can attempt this quiz and kickstart further learning. This link for quiz is given into description box. Now coming back to our main topic, automation. So first of all, what is a automation system? Automation is a use of mechanical mechanisms, control system and information technology to monitor and control the production activities. In other words, we can say an automation system is any system that require minimum or no human interaction. A simple and basic example of automation is automatic light in our home. It switch on automatically when person enters in the room and automatically switch off when a person leaves the room. This automation system is not used in our house nowadays, but people are leading manual switching. Let's assume what will happen when most of the people start using this automatic system in their life. It will be surely a tremendous changing. I have prepared one simulation in PLC programming software for the same purpose. In this program, I have used normally open contact. When we press the switch or while sensor is sensed, that time it will give output. It is known as normally open contact. We will discuss in detail about the two types of contact. One normally open and second is normally closed later in further videos. In simulation program, I have also used one off delay timer for controlling light according to the time. At last, in this run, last is used with coil. Coil is considered as a light. Now, how this program works? When we forcefully turn on normally open contact, named as proximity switch, which detects the human presence and immediately light will turn on. If human presence is not sensed for some time, the light will turn off automatically in specific time. The time is mentioned in off delay timer. By implementing this program, the light becomes automatic and no human interaction will be required for the operation. How this automation is beneficial in day-to-day life? Let's consider a very common scenario. It may be happen that person forgot to switch off the light and the light will remain on till someone turn it off. But in automatic process, it will turn off using PLC program. Thus, the automation saves the energy. Here we are using sensor and controller to automate the lights in a home. This system is known as home automation system. This same concept is applicable in various types of industries to remove manual processes. Only difference is in manufacturing industry, there are many phases to produce the final product from the raw material. So, if we know fundamental of automation, then we can easily implement automation in plant or our factories. Here I conclude this video on introduction to the automation. In the next lecture, we will talk about component of automation system, implementation of automation and the basic block diagram of the automation system. Thank you for watching this video and please like, share and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon for getting first update from upcoming video. Okay, Namaste.